Hello, people. Today we jump back into instancing, but with PA-POP operators. I have prepared one basic and one advanced example for you. The basic example won't use the power of POPs, but I wanted to show you anyway. To create a more complex shape than just a rectangle like in my previous tutorial, we have to use replicators. The first const chop is connected with the number of replications as well as the rotation of the base shape. The second const is connected to the size of the base shape. We can change this rectangle and update its replications easily. We can use the relative path directory to reference the const with .. It all gets combined in the merge, and answer that into a geocomp. For the position and scale, we use a pattern comp set to ramp. The phase is to cycle through the instances. Ignore the pattern 3chop for now. The pattern 2chop is set to ramp. It's to set the correct colors in the instances. You can reference tops in the Instance 2 tab of the geocomp. Make sure to use the correct names. The last pattern is to rotate the instances. Let's check out the advanced example. Here I built a golden ration line pop with a bunch of chops. The constant is required to set variables across the setup. The LFO is creating the illusion of infinite movement. In the first math, we use the const b. The pattern also goes into two functions, one to sign the ramp and the other cos. Remember, we use sine and cos to draw a circle. To correctly draw a golden ratio, it needs another function. Merge all of that together, and if you want, create another pattern for the z-axis. The delete pop needs to find the longest distance from the beginning of the curve to the end. We can find the correct line with a linometrics that collects the distances. It's also used to scale the rectangles. The chop to pop creates the points we need. To increase the size of the rectangles, we use a delete pop. Make sure it doesn't mess with the second delete. With the linometrics pop, we can find out distances, rotations, etc. The math pop helps us to convert those numbers. That is the power of POPs. The copy pop lets us use those values. Get a feeling of when to store values, how to use math with values, how to find attributes, delete stuff, and you're good to go.